All right, guys. So we're ready to kick it off. Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Rick Ricaro. I'm here with several. And Nelu, can you do me a favor? Can you go ahead and put that link, our favorite link, on the chat? Oh, Marcella's saying, look, you should have stretched out. Look, Marcella, look. Marcella's kind of like. All right. Um, so please do me a favor. Go ahead and click on that link. Nelu, go ahead and share that real quick. So most of us know the routine. We've been here a while. So please visit our website. We have a lot of extra activities there for you, whether it's the events, whether it's training. Please visit our website. We do, oh, you actually hear it. Free as in beer. Look at this. So Marcelo's not here today. The Jedi Master is not here today, but hopefully he'll be here next week. Just so you understand, the cost of this event is free, and we like to say free as in beer. Okay, we have this event on Saturday, and we also have events on Wednesday. So, for the people that are here for the first time, these are some shirts. Let me see. Let me look around. Let me look around. What's your favorite shirt, Leon? Take a look
Oh,
at the shirt.
it's the go down, or go to the right. Yeah, I'll tell you. Keep on going, keep on going, keep it going, keep it going.
There's a lot of shirts there.
Keep it going. Right there, right there. Primary elements of a Scrum team. That's my favorite one.
All right.
Primary elements of the Scrum team.
Awesome. So,
and then you have the Scrum values as elements, like periodic table. So that's very good. I like the black shirt right there. Purple and black, both of them are good.
Nice.
Nobody has this stuff. And I'll tell you, Rick, when you're walking around, there are two reactions. Number one, people are like, what the hell is that? But every once in a while, there's somebody that says, like, they're shocked that you're wearing something like that, and they want to come talk to you. And then I'm like, please stand back 6 feet and put your mask on. So, but they're like, you're wearing something that I know, and I recognize it, and then I feel sorry for you. Then immediately they felt sorry for me. You know, that was the next thing that happened. So anyways.
As you were saying that, I kept thinking about every time somebody buys a shirt, maybe we should take a picture and keep it on our website, right? So that you can actually see, look at the members that are wearing the shirts, right? And then, maybe you look better than our, than our current
models,
right?
Your
than our models that we paid a lot
better than your models.
So maybe we will switch them out. So guys, action item: send me pictures. Send me pictures if you have one of our shirts already. Send me a picture of you wearing the shirt so I can switch out the model. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Awesome. Let's keep going.
And make sure to wear pants doing that too. So please.
Yes, please.
Shirt and pants, okay, everyone?
So guys, just to be aware, we do a lot of certification classes. So if you're interested in either SAFe certification, Scrum Alliance certifications, and even Kanban certifications, please.
Why would you be interested in that, Rick?
There might be an opportunity for you to learn, right?
What was that sound? What was that sound?
Learn.
Okay. It was before.
And I clapped, but I did a nice little clap.
I think, I will tell you, now's the time to level up. There's so much activity. Companies are opening up, and they're looking for these types of certs right now. So, this is something to invest in yourself. Can't take it away from you. And it'll give you an edge over other candidates. No question.
Absolutely. Thank you, Leon. All right, keep going down. Nelu. All right, so this is what the agenda looks like. So what we do is we break out into smaller teams, and we normally have these different sessions here. So the first one that what are we looking at here, Nelu? Agile Clinic. So we normally have a beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And now I'm looking around here. Okay. So the idea is, who's going to run our beginner session today? Is that you, Leon? Are you going to help out with that?
Yeah, we're going to see who joins in beginner, and if we have enough beginner, we will go forward. If we don't, we'll merge with intermediate.
Okay, so we have a beginner and intermediate. That will probably be merged today. We'll see how that works. And then we have an advanced session. Who's running our advanced session?
Yeah, who is that?
Who is that guy? That guy with the hat, right? Art's going to be running our advanced session. Who do you have with you over there? Are you taking Ray over there with you? Is he helping you? Ray,
yes.
Are you there?
Yeah.
All right. So
Ray
Ray,
will either, I think, do that or intermediate, but Art
Okay.
has a special guest today.
I have a special
Woo!
guest.
Art,
Yes.
you want to introduce? Go ahead, Art.
Yeah. So Ellen is going to Ellen and her partner are going to come and they're going to show us a new collaboration tool, new to me anyway, called Collabboard, with some interesting features. And so we're going to spend the first part of the session with them demonstrating and showing us how cool this thing is.
Art, if you could do me a favor, if you could record that part of that session so that we can have that hopefully for future people to view. Would that be okay?
I can
Ellen,
do
would that be okay? All right. Awesome. Awesome. Thank you very much. And then, of course, we've got our app team. People that are not familiar with the app team, they have been developed and they have released an app to production. We have a production app out there.
Yay.
Woo! Congratulations. This app is for Agile coaches, Scrum Master, anybody wanting to learn Agile. You can actually use this app and go through it. There's going to be future iterations of it, so we're excited that that team is moving on forward. Joe, are you there? I want to make sure Joe is here today. Okay, I don't know if Joe made it here today. So from my understanding, I know he has a Tesla group as well. We're going to go ahead and talk to them. And I think we'll probably add them into the intermediate. Correct, Leon?
Yes.
I think we'll do that. All right. For the people that are here new for the first time, don't panic. We will help you to your room. Okay, we will help you to the room. People that have been here already, please go to your room. Go to your room. Everyone else that, again, if you're here for the first time, Nelu is going to help you make sure that you go into the right room. And if you have any additional questions, we're here to assist you.
Okay, so yeah, so Agile Basics is room 1, Agile Intermediate is room 2, Agile Advanced is room 3, and Proc Initiative is room 4. So all you got to do is click join.
And Michael and I are going with Art to room 3, right?
Correct.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, you're coming to room 3.
All right. So as they're going to the rooms, anyone else that has a question and wants us to help you get to the room, please let us know now so that we can get you to your room. All right. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Oh, there's a lot of people here today. Woo. All right. Is everybody back, Nelu?
Everyone's back and ready for our picture.
All right. So let's turn on your videos. Please turn on your videos quickly, quickly, quickly. All right. So thank you very much for attending. What we do right now is share. We share. So we have each group present. We normally do not like to hear from the coaches. We like
Last week we did not share.
We did not share. Sharing is not caring. That's a problem, guys. That is a problem. All right. So let's go ahead and go with I think you had the intermediate, right, Leon? Intermediate team, talk to us. What did you learn? Share.
I'll kick it off then. So it was quite insightful. So we primarily focused on PBIs and prioritization techniques. So I think we covered about 10 techniques, which were quite informative, both looking at the pros and the cons with all of these prioritization techniques. So it was really insightful.
Wow. Great job. Anyone else? Any insight to those prioritization techniques that you want to share? All right. I guess we're good with that. We're going to go ahead and pass on to the advanced group. Talk to us. What did you learn?
Maybe, so that's the wrong question.
What is the right question, Art?
What did we do?
What did we do? Forget about learning. What did you actually do? How about that? What did you accomplish?
What was the feedback comment for the t-shirt? Let's start with that one. What was it? Feedback's a good thing.
See, so
Okay.
Why are coaches talking?
Exactly. I don't know.
We
I would
had
rather
it.
just I would rather just have silence.
Okay.
Let's just have silence. I'm not hearing you Rick.
Um.
That's not not
Come on, Lee.
Is it sweet Yeah.
No, it's because the when you hum the letter M and it's a so it resonates in the brain differently than other harsher sounds like sh, which break
you
up
go.
that harmony.
I don't buy any of that.
Yeah, well, it's actually true, and you can find it in you don't want to hear about this.
That's okay.
Because
I
it wasn't
still-
what we learned, right?
Guys, I still want to hear from the advanced group. I want anybody from the advanced group. Tell me, what did you do? What did you learn? Talk to me.
First part, we had a presentation. Oh, go, Julian. Go for it.
We had a presentation on the collab board and a bit of a introduction or oversight of we looked at the roadmap space. After that, we went into a metrics board that we're developing and had a bit of discussion around the appropriateness of metrics and how and who, which metrics for whom, which are most sensible for whom.
Nice. Grant, did you want to add something to that?
No, I was just going to say what Julian said. So,
and I heard from the rumors that there might be work that can be passed on to the app team to build out the app, right? Art, those are some elements that could be added to an app or something in the future. Who knows? So app team, talk to me. What did you learn? And be aware there are people, there are teams creating backlog items for you. Talk to us.
Come on, guys.
That's okay.
Today we're doing backlog refinement, and I think we had some great internal conversations on how we can do that better. As we questioned if we're doing a good job at backlog refinement, and what things should we be doing differently. Anybody else?
Well said.
It's all about continuous improvement. Now, I'm want to give some time for people that are here for the first time. How was your experience? Anybody here for the first time can tell me how their experience went.
I was here for the first time. I enjoyed the session that we had at the beginning and our breakout session. Very deep conversation, big topics. There's not a simple answer. There might not even be an answer. There might be lots of different answers. So it was a great session. I enjoyed being here. Thank you for inviting me, Art.
Appreciate it.
Go.
Glad you came.
Anyone else for the first time that wants to share? So we are going to slowly move into our happy hour. But before we move into our happy hour, Nelu, how are we doing? Are we there?
Great. Yes, the link is on the chat, people. And if you enjoyed today's Agile Coaching Clinic session, please show us your love and like and share.
Oh my God, who won the first click there? I don't know about this.
Well, let's see. I have Godwin here.
Yes. Yes.
Was he the first one?
That's what it looks like.
What?
Who was the first? I mean, I see Godwin only. Maybe I'm,
No, I see.
No,
Alfredo.
it wasn't Alfredo, or it was Grant. It was Grant.
You sure? Because I guess we get all refreshed. Let me refresh again.
Yeah, but he shows up first, maybe.
there were 2 people in before me, and I think I was third when I refreshed it. So,
Oh, okay.
so
I'm sorry.
God.
I had money on the Godwin coins coming in there.
That was great, Chi.
Thanks to get number 1.
Okay. So thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting.
With respect to all of you, I am the first person who showed Rick love. Love Rick was asking for love, not likes. Thus, I am
Nice.
good.
Way to go, Mike. Way to go. All right.
Thank you, Mike, for taking a bullet for the team. Somebody has to do it.
It's my pleasure.
Yes.
So everyone, next week we have a great meetup. Okay, we have Scrum Master's Superpower of Observation in Virtual Teams. We will have Mark Kilby and Savita here joining us and sharing with us. And if you know them, don't miss them. And if you don't, well, I mean, take that risk. I assure you, you won't be bored. You will definitely learn a lot. And this is an opportunity to also network and just have your questions answered. Just join us, register, and in the link is on the chat.
So highly recommend. I've been working with Mark for a long time. I think it's been around like 9 years. He was actually one of the first speakers at our South Florida Agile Association conference. So we had a high performing team conference in 2014, was it? And he joined us. Key partner of our growth. So please come in and join us on this event. I think you'll really enjoy it.
Don't miss this.
Do not miss it.
Do not miss this.
And let's not record it, Leon. Let's not record it so whoever misses it can really feel the pain. Okay? So
I got like 10 recordings of Mark. There's no problem.